Mpcc Working President K.H. Devabrata called on Union Home Minister Amit Shah to reaffirm his stand in public and announce updation on implementation of National Register of Citizens (NRC) during his visit to the state on April 14. It may be recalled that the Union Home Minister has announced decision to implement NRC in the country on December 9, 2019. K.H. Devabrata was speaking to media at Mpcc office at BT Road, Imphal today. He pointed out that Union Home Minister Amit Shah during his visit in Imphal on June 2, 2023 has assured to bring a solution to the present crisis within 10 days. Unfortunately, he said the Union Home Minister has failed to keep his promise and the crisis dragged on, nearing almost a year. He opined that the prolonged conflict has taken a heavy toll in the state, with thousands displaced, many killed or missing. Moreover, the economy of the state has plunged into a record low. Given this, he questioned whether the Union Home Minister, during his proposed visit on April 14, finally delivered the much-awaited solution that he had promised. Mpcc Working President questioned, should there be a solution, what kind of solution would it be?
2019 da Shri Amit Shah na December tarik March December tara dana Citizenship Amendment Bill da CAA na on gada numit dugi khara mangjong na Rai Sabha na approve tawga umba Bharat ki NRC hai mama hana 1951 da amalai do amu ana revision tawga yarani akoi masi soil tawrani man state mun thoi अदुगी स्टेटमेंट में मिनिंग मनु दासी कॉल धर्म तल मनु दले बकैदे सिटीजन तान ते हम लाइन ऑफ प्रोविजन सेम्बा CAA बिल एक्ट ने अन कीदरा मयाम तो लाना को गाना भारत की प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने स्टेटमेंट अमगा दिसंबर 19 दा रामलीला मैदान में पी नामे सुलेते डिस्कशन ग्रुप में खंडा सुलेते NRC भारत पुंबगी वना लेगनी है से मागी सरकार ने खंडा की दे NRC कनाना लेफन की बनो आरगदी श्री प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ना लेफन की श्री अमित शाह ना तलितान में इधर पता आरगदी भारत दा NRC चलान गनी मपुम मोइना अमदुल्ला फोन बियू आइना पे थमजरी